The Advanced Accelerator course is for the advanced Excel user, meaning you are a pivot table pro, you can do VLOOKUPs in your sleep, and you have conquered all of the wonders that the data ribbon has to offer. The Advanced Accelerator course takes a deep dive into writing macros using VBA to automate your world. The course has 12 modules that are about an hour each, and each module is broken into mini lessons, making it easy for you to use the course as an ongoing reference guide. You will have lifetime access to all the course materials, including the training videos, practice files, templates, and guides. You will also get a completion certificate and access to our private Facebook group for Q&A. Or you can always email your questions right to me too. This course will take you to the next level, and you will become the go-to Excel expert in your office if you aren't so already. You will feel like a superhuman when you are cranking out Excel tasks in half the time and are constantly impressing those around you with your wizardry. If you also geek out about new Excel functions, 1, let's be friends, and 2, you are going to love this course.